Hi everyone, do you have flying anxiety? Well, so do I. So today I'm going to share some tips and tricks I use to help you. Number one is if you have a choice, try to sit in the aisle seat. It really helps. Try to distract yourself. Watch a movie, read a book, or do something that needs all of your attention. Number three, if you get nauseous, take deep breaths and sit up straight. Number four is open the window. This helps sometimes because when you can see what is happening, if you're going through turbulence, you could see what is happening and it just makes you feel more comfortable. Thank you so much for watching. We hope these tips helped and we hope you feel more comfortable on your next flight. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!